Alright, this video is going to be a little different than our typical copper painted stuff. This is the subject of the video. We bought the Blackstone 17-inch electric tabletop griddle, and I'll be honest, I never heard of these things until about a week ago, but apparently on YouTube everybody's talking about you got to get a Blackstone griddle. I guess they've had propane ones out for a long time that are very well loved, and now they've come out with the electric version. And what we're going to do is, I'm not going to unbox this on camera, but we're going to unbox it and show you what it is. Now, a friend of ours named Mac Roop that has a channel called All American Mac. He's trying to buy one of these, and he's going to show a complete video on unboxing, and he's going to cook on it and everything. We're not doing all that, but anyway, this may not seem like a big deal to you, but it is a cool griddle. So we'll
show it to you in a minute.
We're going to turn the camera off. We're going to unbox it and then show it to you set up on the counter here.
So stay tuned. All right, we're taking this thing out in pieces, and this is what the base looks like. It's not plugged in, so there's a display here, but this is the bottom underneath the cooking tray. So, okay, now we put the cooking surface on, and it clips in here at the front, and then it drops back down. So
here's your cooking tray, and then
that's not stuck on where you don't need any kind of adhesive remover or anything on.
I don't know. We'll see. No, it's not glued on. It just comes up like that.
Okay.
And this is this is non-stick. I guess nothing will stick to it. You don't even need to treat it. You just use it.
And then show the lid.
This is
it has a nice lid on it. Make sure.
I never got it to.
Let's see how it goes on. All right, and we got a sticker to peel off the front here.
It goes like that, and then it tilts back. But the lid, I mean, you can get your stuff in there and steam it. Yeah. Burgers, whatever.
What we're going to do is we're going to peel the sticker off, and then we're going to plug it in so you can see the displays.
This has a grease tray in the back.
We got to take that out of the package still. It clips on.
We haven't put it in, but it puts a grease tray in the back, and the grease drains right through here. And of course, to break this in, we're going to use this.
Yeah, you don't get to see that part.
No, Mac Group can do a cooking video because I'm sure he'll do. But we're going to have some rib.
We got to have a big fight over who gets which steak first. That's going to take a while.
I want the bigger one.
But all right, anyway, we're gonna pause because I'm gonna come back and we'll get it all plugged in, put the grease trap on, and I'll show you how it looks turned on.
Yeah, one final view.
All right, stay tuned. Okay, here's the grease tray, and it's metal. Well, it feels like it's metal, and then it's
a metal grease tray.
Yeah, it just hangs like that, so it should hold quite a bit. And then we got it plugged in. We're going to turn it around, get it plugged in, and get the display going, and we'll review you right back. So stay tuned. All right, when you plug it in, it beeps. The little light comes on, lets you know there's power, and then you just turn it on. It lights up. It starts at 200 degrees, and you can change the temperature. Just rotate the knob. Goes to 500. Once you get it where you want it to go, you just push the button, it starts heating.
And they say it does it instantly. We've never used it. Well, it does it fast. It's pretty quick.
Yeah, you can't really see the display, but this progress bar will start to light up, and when it gets all the way heated up,
you're done.
It shuts off. But we're going to turn it off because we haven't actually cleaned it and everything, and we're going to use it in a little bit here to make some lunch. But we just wanted to show you how it works. Yeah, you just turn that off. I think if you turn it off, it'll just drop back down to 200 automatically.
That's true, it will.
Yeah, just hold it down until it shuts off.
Okay. But anyway, there's the Blackstone E-Series griddle.
200,
So if you guys haven't heard of these, they're all over YouTube. Start watching videos.
They're Walmart exclusive products, so you have to go to Walmart to buy them. They're not available on Amazon.
No Amazon or none of that.
But it's a nice little thing. We've been using a tabletop, just a plain open one, and it's a real mess when you make burgers or anything. So this is a lot better. So anyway, we're going to enjoy ours.
This whole thing, it's just everything comes apart.
Yeah, you take it all apart for cleaning.
And apparently, you can just wipe this with a rag, with a
paper
towel. You don't need to wash it. The people don't wash them; they just wipe them with a towel. And
so, also, as long as you see this little light, you're plugged in, and you could just go from there. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Tune in to All American Mac on YouTube. He's going to get one pretty soon. He's going to start doing a lot of different cooking recipes.
As soon as he can find one in stock at the Walmart he lives near.
They're a little hard to find still, but they're not too bad. Actually, we paid like $119 for ours. I've heard of them being on sale from $80 up to like $150, so the price can vary. They're kind of a hot item right now. So anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.